believe me, this is one of the highest food streets you can ever find in Chennai. And what do you mean by RTS? The full form of RTS is Rotary Tech Skill Food Street. Before it was named as OMR, but now they changed into RTS. And what I felt was you have here all the IT companies, you have colleges here, so all the students come here. There's so much of crowd here, and believe me, the food is the excellent. One must definitely try, and once you enter this thing, you will feel like coming again and again, because you have so many stalls here, and each stall is really having yummy food, tasty food, and you will keep on coming. Believe me, this is my word. Take it for granted. And it is so economical, it is so reasonable that every stall is, because of the students here, the food is very, very economical. You can see the crowd here. The whole week is full of crowd. All the big cars keep coming here. So I feel that all the Chennai people must definitely visit this place, because the food is yummy, the food is reasonable. You get here everything from vegetarian to non-veg. So let's see. So you have many stalls here, and you have the first, let us see, with the pan shop here. So people, after having nice tummy full food, they come to have pan. Pan is excellent. And this shop, again, I would request everybody to come to this shop, Barbecue Ride. So it's actually a bite thing. You have here lobsters, which are very, very yummy. Then you can ask for half chicken, tandoori chicken. They are making here. The chicken is really yummy. The prices are very, very reasonable. The chicken really tastes yummy. You can order for either for lobsters or half a chicken, tandoori chicken. It's really, really nice. And he is the owner of the shop. And one must definitely try in this shop. Believe me, the dosas and appams are really, really tasty. So you can try out it. Here you have again dosas. These are of course veg dosas. Different varieties of dosas are made here. The thanda again is very popular. It has become very popular in this. But you get everything from pan till all the Indian food. Everything you get here. So you can bring your kids. The whole family can enjoy here. You have kulfi. Let's move. It's a very big thing. Yeah. Then you have this Madurai Kare Dosa. Believe me, this is again a very, very yummy food. You have a non-veg. Have all the non-vegetarian dosas. They taste yummy. And one shop which I would again recommend is this Malaysian Parantha. I have talked a lot about this. Malaysian Parantha shop is one of the best. You cannot resist it if you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian person. This guy's hand will never stop. It is so fast. Till 11 o'clock it keeps on moving too fast. The food is very, very yummy. You can try out anything.
Can I speak in Malay?
Yeah, you can speak. Definitely, sir. Yeah, you can speak, sir. Would you like to say about your shop something?
Or I could do
suggest something. Tell me.
A lot of people
You can talk in Malay.
Come here to get kutu paratha. The special name is one chicken murtaba, mutton murtaba, prawn murtaba. Very special one.
Yeah.
And most of people asking for kutu paratha.
This shop you can really enjoy each and every variety. It is too crowded, and each and every dish is yummy. Yeah, this is again a very reasonable shop. The whole chicken is only for 150. The whole full chicken, tandoori chicken is for 150. So reasonable here. The prices are very, very reasonable in this RTS Street. You have so many varieties at the same time. So now we'll be moving to Burma Square, where again I would say it's an excellent place for momos, chili momos. Then you can have the banana stem soup. It's very, very yummy. One can definitely try these dishes. This shop again is an excellent shop. Anytime you enter, this is fully crowded from the time they start till it is closed. So you get here coconut based thing. So coconut juice with the noong is an excellent drink, and it's full of demand. I don't think so these people keep stopping for even for a second. So one must definitely try this coconut noong juice. It's so yummy for this combination juice. It's an excellent. Plus they have so many varieties related to coconut. Up you have. So you have so many varieties. Excellent. If you are a fan of all the chaat items, Bhatura Chana and all the Gujarati dishes, you can come to Mithai Wala. He's having everything excellent, very reasonable prices. And then moving on to Fruity. One must definitely go to the Fruity because they have very good combinations of juices. Excellent. You can add in ginger also to your juices. They add it, and they are very, very reasonable. It's up to 80 bucks, and it's having in Malaysian glasses. You have the Parantewala Gully. You have everything for vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Then you have the Simply Kebabs here. They have only kebabs. These are again very tasty. One can try it out. Vegetarians must be wondering, where is our stall? This is one of the best stalls. It is exactly what you have in Delhi. You have in Delhi and like Patpatganj, the same flavors. You can order for chana chawal, paranthas, aloo paranthas, everything. You have the North Indian taste, and the quantity is excellent. Huge quantities with the minimal prices. Within 100 rupees, your stomach gets with so much of quantity. I would definitely, because this shop is really in demand as far as vegetarian is concerned, so I would request him. They are already on the Instagram, so he'll be talking about his stall.
We are serving North Indian food. We are serving basically North Indian food in Chennai. We are located in Navur, separated in Navur, and
you have page in Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram. We are on Facebook. We are on Google. Please review us and see that. Try once. We are in Chennai. Thank you. Instagram page and Facebook and Google. We are with the name Vaishno Kali. Thank you.
Yeah, definitely their prices are very, very reasonable, and I would request all the vegetarians to come here because the food is really tasty. You can find a North Indian taste here. So you'll not miss upon it, please do come. So you come moving on to other stalls. So Andhra cuisine, you can just see how much of variety is here in RTS Street. You can never miss on anything. You can come with the family, enjoy, have a great time. So this is again a turkey ice cream. Will be coming in the end. Then you have here pizza. You get so many things like what you have in KFC. It's almost the taste of the KFC. And let's move. You have so many things here. You have here Malabar. It's again a very, very reasonable and a yummy thing here. And just see the price. It's just for 99. So within 100 rupees, piece will do. You have then Sultan's biryani here, which is again very famous here. This shop again, Namaste, fine dining. You get 249 unlimited biryani. So you have the nice quantity. You can, it's like a buffet, just for 249. It's unlimited biryani. Then you have this yohi where kids can enjoy their pav bhajis, French fries and all that. So hope nobody is missing. So let's move to the Milky Way, which is everyone's favorite. So you have Milky Way here, like you have in Egmore. They have put on stall here. So dosas again you have here. Yeah. So let us try shawarma. It is excellent. It's so filling. It's so yummy at the same time. It's too yummy. You can try it out here. Okay. It's so filling also. So let's do the taste testing of this chicken. And it's really yummy. One must definitely try. It's too tasty. You will fall in love with it because it is not dark. It is nice, tasty. The salt is correct, and it's so tender. Just see the tenderness. You can see the tenderness. And it's so tasty. One can definitely try.
Chocolate and butterscotch.
I guess I'll have Thank you. To the fruit shop, and their juices are excellent. They have so many varieties, so many combinations. The combinations are excellent, like beetroot, carrot, beetroot, apple. Drinks here. There are so many varieties, and you can even ask them to add ginger to your juices. They are so friendly. Well, I have ordered for juice, carrot combination with pomegranate and beetroot. So, while we are preparing, let's try this fun. I've tasted already, but it is too yummy. Sweet fun.
Kindly follow Rajni from Ramadan. Please give her a like.
Subscribe. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Please come to this juice shop and have a yummy food. Thank you so much. Good night.